Hello and welcome to NinetyEast. In this video we'll be looking at chemical elements and atoms, and it's the first in the Fundamentals of Chemistry series. So let's have a look at what chemical elements are and what atoms are. The world around you is made up of lots of different substances. For instance, the table you're sitting at may perchance be made up of wood, or perhaps it's made out of glass or metal. It really depends what your interior designer or your parents have bought for you. Either way, all of those substances, if you break them down, they're made up of lots of really small particles. And these particles are really small. They're called atoms. Atoms are so small, in fact, that there's no way that you can physically see one with your eye. If you took a sewing needle, such as this one, in fact, you'll find that there are millions and millions of atoms at the very pinpoint of that single threading needle. Now, there's different types of substances, and we can classify them depending on the types of atoms that they're made out of. Substances that are made out of different atoms coming together or combining together, forming some sort of composition, are called compounds. Substances that are made up of only one type of atom are called elements. Now, the best way to remember the difference between compounds and elements is to think about compounds as being something that's a composition of more than one type of thing. So it's a composition of different atoms. That's what a compound is. Now, there's many different ways that we can represent chemical elements. We can represent them by symbols. So, for instance, hydrogen, the symbol is H. Carbon, the symbol is C. And aluminium, the symbol is Al. We can also represent them by using images, such as this one's here on the left-hand side. And we'll look at these in a bit more detail in the coming videos. What you do need to remember is that there are over 100 different elements in the world. While some of them are man-made, most of them are found naturally in the world. And each element has its own unique atom. While these atoms are unique to the element, they do share some structural similarities, which you'll be able to see already from these pictures here. That all have these blue dots, all have the green dots, and they all have those red crosses. But we'll talk about those structural similarities in future videos. For now, you just need to remember that all substances are made out of atoms, that compounds are compositions of different atoms, elements are made up of one type of atom, that there are more than 100 different elements in the world, and that elements can be represented by symbols. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please make sure you share it if you have. If you've got any questions, just directly message us or send us an email through to ninetyEastTV@gmail.com. Thanks very much.